How to make a game pass in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search roblox.com. Then, click on Create at the top. You will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Creations. In Creations, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Everyone has their own places, so simply click on the place. After that, on the left side, scroll down to monetization and click on passes. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and click on create a pass. Then you can upload image for your pass. If you don't want to upload image, simply add your name. You can add description as well. And then scroll down and click on create pass. After that, your pass will be created. Then on the left side, simply click on passes again and click on the pass you just created. And at the left side, click on sales. In sales, turn on item for sale. After that, add price for your pass and press on save changes at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. This is how to make a game pass in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.